Have you ever worked on a university project, spent a lot of time on it, prepared the documentation and a demo, but in the end, the project had no real use? Why do most university projects only earn a grade and then get forgotten? If you stick around until the end of this video, we'll go over 5 key reasons behind this problem and talk about real solutions. Maybe your next project will actually turn into a useful product. 1. Lack of real need and market connection. Most university projects are designed just to practice concepts, not to solve real-world problems. Students focus on meeting the professor's requirements, not the needs of users or the market. Focus on grades, not usefulness. Project without a market equals dead project. Solving a real need equals first step to a real product. Solution: before starting your project, talk to a real business or group of users. Find out what problem they actually have. A project that solves a pain point is more likely to survive. 2. Lack of product thinking. Knowing how to code is only half the journey. Most students just focus on writing code, not turning the project into a usable, maintainable, and scalable product. Code alone isn't enough. UX, design, stability, and scalability matter. A product needs thinking, not just coding. Solution: approach your project with a product mindset. Who will use it? How? How long will it take? What problem does it solve? 3. Limited time and resources. Students have to deliver their projects in just a few weeks without a budget, without a real team, and without user testing. So, it's no surprise that the project isn't complete, stable, or usable. Time limits equals quality limits. Solo developer: no feedback. No time for testing or improvement. Solution: choose a project you can continue after the semester ends. Do part of it for the course, but keep developing it for yourself. 4. Lack of real feedback. When only the professor sees the project, you don't get real feedback. You have no idea how useful your project really is. No one outside tests it, comments on it, or actually uses it. Feedback only from professor? Not enough. Real users equals real feedback. Project without feedback equals project in the dark. Solution: upload your project to GitHub, share it in forums or communities, release a test version. Get feedback, even if it's negative. 5. No plan beyond the grade. Most projects end once the grade is received. There's no documentation, no team to continue it, no plan for further development. Everything gets dropped. Project without a future plan equals grade-only project. Documentation equals makes continuation possible. Someone, at least one person, must keep it alive. Solution: decide early if this is a long-term project. If yes, document it, make a roadmap, and form a team, even a small one. A university project can be your first step toward building a real product. But only if you approach it professionally. Practice thinking like a startup team, not just a student. 42.